And you know as it be when you dey Nigeria, your friends go dey tell you say, ah, abeg leave this country, make you come meet us for here. This place better pass. You know, so many they go dey try to encourage you so many ways because they just feel say like say make you leave where suffer dey, go enjoyment place. You know as it dey be now. So your friend come they know they know person finish oh. They know they know person finish. You go see say you know person una don know for many years. Na your childhood friend or na they go the same church or the same mosque. One day when the person go do you something and your eye go clear. Human beings they know they trust human beings finish. Make I give una one thing wey happen not too long ago. E get this guy dey Nigeria. You know as I be for Nigeria now, you go dey hustle, you go dey do so many things. You wan feed your family. Na married man but na youngish guy. You wan do so many things, money no reach. You go get skill, you no go fit express your skill. You know as e dey be for here. Person dey fit frustrate oh. We wey dey here, we know why we dey here. We know why we dey here. E get wetin we dey make us stay here. E no easy to stay Nigeria. So this guy, na so this guy just dey on him own oh. He don dey work, he don dey do so many things. So he come decide say he wan japa. Specifically, he wan go UK. He say okay, he wan leave Nigeria, he wan go UK. And you know say paths dey. If you wan travel abroad, you go consider the paths wey dey most viable for all the road wey you take go. So he come decide say okay, as he wan travel, he wan use student visa. He wan use that student path as in education part. Now he come dey save money, dey save money. He come apply for this school for UK. This school for UK. So after he do all the process, they come accept am. Meanwhile, before then, he get this him friend when he know when dey UK. That guy don already japa before he dey plan to japa. That guy don go for many years. And you know as e be when you dey Nigeria, your friends go dey tell you say, ah, abeg leave this country, make you come meet us for here. This place better pass. You know, so many they go dey try to encourage you so many ways because they just feel say like say make you leave where suffer dey, go enjoyment place. You know as e dey be now. So him friend come dey tell am say okay, come now. Wetin he dey do for Nigeria? Wetin he dey do for? Come. So that one don dey encourage am. So wetin he come need to do? He needed to pay a particular amount. It amount to about 9 million naira. Na pound, but it amount to 9 million naira. But he not get from him account. He not fit send am from Nigeria. So he come beg this him friend. He know this him friend for many years. So not be seen as person when you just meet for social media or na work for office. Na person when you don't know. The guy when they allege, na allegation no, when they allege say he chop him money. The guy name na Oluwadamilare. So he come go meet this him friend Oluwadamilare. Say abeg now, you fit help me. The friend say okay, go help am. Now because he needed to deposit, I don't remember now, £3,000 first. Now be the initial deposit. Now the school ask for. So or he go lose the admission. They give him a time span. So he needed to do. He need to do am quick. So he can't tell this him friend Oluwadamilare. He can't. So the guy, according to him, what he talk, what he allege, he say he can't send am the money, £3,000. So he expect say the guy go pay. No do. Before you know, they contact am say, he remain 1 week or so. Say make he can't ask him friend though. The friend not get in touch with him. The friend not can they keep in touch with him again. He can't dey wonder say wetin dey happen. So before you know that university for abroad, they can't tell and say, okay, you don't pass the first window. And since you not pay, we don't increase the money to £5,000. If you not pay by this time, you go lose your admission. You know, say, as we speak, the guy don't lose the admission. Him friend don't carry money run. He tried to get in touch with him friend. The friend no answer him. So when the thing come like say he get where he reach, he can't vex. He can't go social media. He can't dey highlight. He can't dey shout. He say this now waiting happen. This now waiting happen. Instead of the friend to even dey sorry, can't say oh sorry, I busy or I chop small of the money or this now waiting remain. Or even though now nonsense, you're not supposed to. Even if when they give you money, you're not supposed to take 10 cover. Some people go take people money when their custody say my family member they sick. You not get right. If person put money for your account, you say you go put money for your account for person, you go hold them. You not get any right to collect even 10 kobo. No excuse. They credible enough. So the guy not be say, oh, that Oluwadamilare guy when they accused. Not be say it's okay, I don't spend this money, now this money remain. He not even want drop shishi. Now when the thing come reach social media because of the embarrassment, e come be like say the guy come go get lawyers. You imagine, go get lawyers say make dem no defame am or make dem no dey talk about im name in a bad way. So the guy wey dey Nigeria come decide say okay make e remove all the things wey e write for social media about that guy, make e no be like say e dey accuse am, whether na libel dem dey call am abi na I no know the other word, defamation or libel. Abeg, if you know the word put am for comment. No be im be the gist today. I no be lawyer, you hear, I no be lawyer, so I no know all the terminologies. Abeg, make una free me. Now wetin the latest now, the guy for Nigeria come vex, e come go FIJ. FIJ na this investigative journalist wey investigative organisation wey one guy wey dem dey call Tokunbo form. Tokunbo, if you get issue and if you feel say you dey oppressed and you go meet Tokunbo, you go meet dem for FIJ, e go just help you, e go help you investigate to make sure say first of all your claim na true, and if your claim na true, they go help you write am, they go let you talk about am for their newspaper. Na so FIJ dey do. Tokunbo na the guy wey don do so many investigative reportage, the owner of FIJ, the person wey start FIJ. So many investigative reportage. You don even go catch some customs officers wey dey collude with big officials for Lagos, even for Nigeria presidential level. E don go catch them, custom officials and some people wey dey smuggle things into Nigeria. Till today the story, even after the investigation, till today I'm not sure say dem don arrest one person. Na the country wey we dey o. But make I go back to the main story when I dey talk. So the FIJ people come help am now. They come dey talk say this na wetin happen. They come write the report make people know. So abeg, make una careful. Even if you know somebody from childhood, people dey change. People dey change. And even if you know them from childhood, you know one thing about money. Money na spirit o. Many people you fit trust them for every other thing, but when they reach money level they go do something you go chill. Even you yourself, sometimes e get the way you go see money, you go come be like say you don change. So abeg, make we get integrity, and I pray say that guy, if na true say Oluwadamilare cheat person money wey no be own, thief money wey no be own,